What's up guys, Jeff back here with another amazing video, and in this video, as you can read in the title below, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money online as a teenager. So real quick, if you're on this channel, if you're subscribed right now, or you found my video accidentally or something and you're a teenager, this is the video for you. But also if you're an adult, this is gonna work for you, so do not think I'm leaving you behind or something. I'm targeting this video towards teenagers because these two websites are gonna pay you to do simple stuff you guys already do on a daily basis, simple stuff teenagers want to do, because online everyone hears about affiliate marketing, drop servicing, drop shipping, and a lot of other complicated business models, and no one really wants to get into that, especially if you're a teenager. You don't want to get into that. But obviously you guys know that that is exactly where the money is. So as I was saying before, anyone anywhere in the world could actually make this work. If you're 13, 14, 15, 16, I think I already said 16 before, but the main fact here is that whatever age you are, you can actually make this work. Even a 2-year-old could make this work. Okay guys, I think I'm taking this too far, but you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Now over to some questions you guys may have. Simple questions like, what are you going to be doing to get paid? Well, you're going to be doing simple stuff like searching the web, and that is why I said at the beginning of this video, you're going to be doing simple stuff that you already do on a daily basis. A lot of you guys want to know how much you're going to be getting paid, and you guys are going to be getting paid a decent amount based on the simple stuff you guys are going to be doing. Another popular questions you guys always ask is, this available in my country? These websites are available to the United States only, but you guys know how to bypass this website. You know how to change your location, you know how to use VPN. So guys, do not make excuses, make money. And also in this video, I know you guys always want to see payments proof, so I'm going to be showing you guys that sometime later in this video. And before I get into the video, if you want to maximize your earnings, as usual, you guys know what to do. A link is going to be in the description to get referrals. And the last question you may have, how am I going to go about PayPal if I'm only a teenager? Well, all you have to do, go over to an adult or your mom, your dad, anyone you have close to you, tell them to open a PayPal account for you, or you can use their PayPal account yourself. Or if you do not have anyone, all you have to do, you could always fake your age on PayPal. I mean, they never ask for your ID or any stuff like that, so you guys know ways to go about it. And guys, I'm gonna advise you to watch this video to the end. As you guys know, success begins with you watching this 10 minutes video till the end. Okay, but on a serious note, if you're not patient enough to watch a 10 minutes video, I'm not sure you're gonna be patient enough to use the websites I'm gonna be showing you guys in today's video. So when it comes to making money online, you guys know patience is the key. So with the long intro out of the way, if this is your first time on my channel, you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Go below this video, smash that red subscribe button. While you're there, drop a like, leave your questions in the comment section, turn on notifications, do every single thing you need to do so that YouTube algorithm shows more people this video. And also, if you have any friends that are looking to make money online, you guys know what to do. The share button is right there. Share this on Facebook, WhatsApp, wherever you are, whatever social media you're using, Instagram, you guys know where you are. So guys, over to the first website we're going to be taking a look at, and this website is called parttimeclicks.com. so I'm going to leave a link to that in the description or something. So this website is a website that pays you to do simple stuff every single day. So on a daily basis, you can make as much as $1 from this website, but towards the end of every month they run out of jobs to do, so you may have to wait till the next month. So real quick, I'm going to explain to you guys what you're going to be doing on this website. All you have to do, come in, log in on a daily basis, and they're going to provide jobs for you to do every single day. And I mean, after you complete a job, you could get a job after a few hours, but the jobs you're going to be doing are simple stuff like searching Google, and I said this at the beginning of this video, and yes, you're going to be literally just searching Google. So all you have to do on this part-time clicks website, you're going to go over to the website, you're going to get a job to do. So they're going to tell you stuff like, go over to Google, search for this, click on the first website you find, and tell us what you see on that website. And guys, that is literally it. And you get 20 cents per task, and you get 4 to 5 jobs per day to do, and that adds up to about 80 cents to $1, and they pay out every week to your PayPal. So they're not going to be giving you points or anything. It's cold hard cash to your PayPal every single Friday, and I should flash some payments proof on the screen. So guys, you could work anytime you want. It's not compulsory that you do every single job when it's available, but I mean, if you want to make more money, you could do that. Another question people always have, how much can you make? You can make $5 to $20 every single single month. I mean, as I said before, you're not going to get rich from making money online websites and apps. Ultimately, the amount of money that you earn every single month depends on how much time you actually put into this. So if you come every day and complete every single job, you're going to be getting more money. You're going to be getting paid more money than somebody who comes in and completes only a few jobs. So why are you actually getting paid to do this? So this stuff you're doing, going over to Google and searching for websites, it's for marketing research, and I do not know what that is. So go over to Google, type that in, search that up so you guys could know more about this. And as I said before, you get paid weekly every Friday, and I should flash some payment proof on the screen once again. So guys, one downside to this is that they only accept one sign up per household. So guys, there is a referral system, but as of right now it's on hold, and it's been on hold for a long time. But when it's updated, you guys could always refer your friends and family and use guest referrals to get some extra cash with this. So guys, that is pretty much it for part-time clicks. It's a simple website, and when you get your payments every Friday, you get it from a name called Michael Munter or something. I can't really remember, it's been long since I used the website. But guys, that is pretty much it for part-time clicks. Very great website if you're looking to make some extra side income on the side. I don't know if that makes sense, but if you're looking to make some extra income, this is a great website to actually start out with. And as you guys know, I'm not going to advise you guys to stay with websites like this for a very long time, because it's not really passive income. You have to work, and once you get a little money from this, you could save up and start your own business or move on to something better. You could start affiliate marketing and stuff like that. Guys, now over to the OG Swagbox, and I'm sure a lot of you guys know about this website. It's been on for a lot of time now, and a lot of people have actually used this website, and a lot of people say that this website isn't profitable. But I'm going to show you guys in hack towards the end of this video, towards the end of me talking about Swagbox. I'm going to show you guys something you could actually use to double your earnings with this. And Swagbox is actually easy to bypass, so it's only available to the USA, but you could bypass this by actually getting the Android or iOS app, and you could bypass it that way, because it's pretty easy to change your Play Store or App Store to the United States Play Store or App Store. So yeah, it's easy to bypass Swagbox. So with that out of the way, here is Swagbox on my laptop screen right now. And guys, this website is completely amazing. So real quick, I'm going to show you guys how many different ways you could actually get paid through this. So you could get paid to answer questions, surveys, and I'm sure a lot of you guys do not like that. If you're in the USA, you could get paid to shop. You could get cash back from shopping. So when your mom, your dad, anyone you know goes out to go shop, you could earn some extra cash simply by them shopping, and you could earn money through that way. And also you could come over here to complete surveys and do simple stuff from their partners over here, so you could check that out. You could get paid to watch simple video ads, and also you could get paid to search the web like part-time clicks. And the most fun way to actually earn on this website is getting paid to play games. And yes, you guys love stuff like that. But guys, you know, when it comes to this kind of stuff, when websites promise to pay you to play games, you're not going to actually getting paid a lot of money. So do not expect something like $1,000 to get paid to play games. I actually have a video on how to get paid to play games, so go watch that over here somewhere. You could actually earn more money from playing games through that way with Playtest Cloud and Misplay. So definitely go check out that video after this one, and also go check out my video on how to create a PayPal account, a working PayPal account in any country where PayPal isn't supported. So back into the video. So over at Swagbox, as I said before, I'm going to go over to the main section of the website, and that's actually getting paid to do simple surveys. So over on the website, when you come over here, the first thing you see a bunch of surveys to do, and most of the time they often offer bonus cash for surveys. So you guys could come in when the bonus is active and complete these surveys, and they show you the amount of time each survey is going to take, so you guys could get prepared and you know if the survey is going to take long or it's going to take only a few minutes. So the surveys I'm seeing over here range from 1-minute surveys over to 40-minute surveys. And guys, obviously the longer the survey, the more money you're actually going to be getting paid. So based on the currency conversion over here, I say you're going to get paid from 1 cent to $2.50 per survey that you complete. So you guys could come check this out. Their surveys are really great. And there's another app I'm gonna flash on the screen. If you're getting started with surveys and you want to make some extra cash, this app over here is gonna make sure you actually maximize your earnings and maximize your time that you put into surveys. It's gonna give you a lot of money, so go check that app out. It's not a referral link or anything. It's a great app. Go check that out. Curious Cat is a great app. So over to the second section on this website, getting paid to shop, is basically like Dash, Rakuten, and a whole lot of other apps out there. They're gonna pay you to shop and they give you cash back to shop. So that I'm not going to really go into that because a lot of you guys may not actually use that feature, but if you're going to use that, it's pretty easy to go about it, so go check that out. Now over to another section, let's go over to the discovery tab real quick. So over here you see stuff like getting paid to download apps and getting paid to play simple games and download VPNs and stuff like that. So I'm going to show this on the screen somewhere. So yeah, so over here as you can see, you could play this casino slots and actually get $4 over there. You could sign up for Domino's email offers and actually earn 15 cents over there to sign up for. Just to put in your email, you could earn 15 cents, and over here you could earn $6 to download this VPN. Over here and guys, also for Swagbox, I'm going to show some payment proof before I forget. So some payment proof should be on the screen somewhere here. And on Swagbox, they pay out through gift cards and PayPal, so you guys could check those out. If you're in a country where PayPal is not accepted and you're having some hard time creating a PayPal account and my video over here doesn't work for you, all you have to do, redeem your points through Amazon gift cards or whatever gift cards you could actually redeem them through. You could also redeem them through Visa gift cards so you could get cash, but whatever gift cards you could actually redeem them through, you could go sell those gift cards on websites like Gift Card Granny and other websites you guys know sell gift cards. Guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you gained any info from this video, a like on this video will be very much appreciated. If you want to learn more about making money online, all you have to do, hit the subscribe button below. Also, a bunch of links are going to be in the description to make money online apps, especially if you're in the United States. A bunch of links are going to be in the description to apps that will literally give you a free $5 to sign up. So if you want a free $5, go to the description and some apps are going to be there also. So guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't liked the video, please like before I zone out. But whatever, thank you guys for watching. Peace and out.